Okay, sorry guys, my last video failed. It got deleted while I was trying to get it working. But anyways, now it's working. And I'm playing with my friend Jack here. Well, I'm not playing with him, but he's right next to me. And I'm just going to try and get as much progress done as I can. If I don't get much done, it's because I'm not really paying attention.
Also, you rebirthed.
Yeah, I rebirthed. Okay, and I'm going to try and accomplish it all. If I don't accomplish much, it's because I'm not getting much money. What?
Try find me if you can.
Okay, and I'm going to try and find Jack's character on Roblox bookstore. I don't care.
It's going down.
I don't care.
Bad boy from the north.
Yes, but look, Jack, look. Everything's yellow.
Oh, that's...
Yeah. Wait, Jack, you forgot to say hi. Come back here, you naughty boy. Two more things to buy. Jack, come back here, you naughty boy. And if I don't really accomplish much, it's most likely that I'm not getting much money as well as I'm not paying attention. Jack, say hi. Wait, take my Oh. Oh, okay. Wait. Get book. Too bad I can't do anything with it.
Smart. Like me.
Yeah. She's new store. Beauty and clothing. This one. Jack, say hi. Are you done eating it?
Yep, I'm finished. Hey guys, my name's Jack and that's it. You guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, link in the description. And yeah, thank you guys. Goodbye.
Back to me now. He might stay in what's wrong I'm playing, but who knows?
No.
Doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, I'm gonna try and accomplish it all. That's annoying. Anyway, here. Bubbles. Now I got some more money here. Yeah, I can afford it. Beauty or clothing? Clothing. If you are wondering why I always buy the checkout first, is because it's on and gives me more proficiency bonus, which is how much I gain. And yeah. That's exactly right. This is about me. I love telling the truth. I'm quite an honesty person. You can trust me with lots of things. And I live in Australia. I'm not that old. 29. Turning 10 next year. My name is Connor. But I'm not telling you anything else. I'm quite a good gamer. Yes, I did make my Bad Wars video with my friend Jack. It's just we only got to play one round because the longest recording I could have is only 15 minutes and we're going to get to finish the round. So yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to try and make it so you have fun. Okay, more railing, by screen, by railing, by screen, by more railing, and by step piece for 20,000. First by plants. Okay, forget about okay, I've got about 8 minutes left in the video. So yeah. But still, I'll explain the rest at the end. I still don't have enough money. Yeah. And I'm being very serious. Right now, and my voice is way darker than you think it is. Trust me. My voice is way darker. If you think it isn't way darker, well, you're wrong. It's way darker than it really sounds like it is. So that's just because my microphone's a big bad one. And yeah, that's pretty much why. But yeah, literally. I might pay money so that I can get more time for it. So the video is too long, but yeah. And so you know, like the audio from this, but yeah. Just enjoy the video. This is my theater. Protector. Oh. Which is going to be a bit hard, and yes, I am on the computer with 2 screens. I'm really trying to accomplish it all. And yeah, you guys don't have to like and subscribe. And remember, the link in the description to my Discord channel, my Discord fan group server, and link in the description to Jack's YouTube channel. And also recorded by Soundcast. It's also in the description. So yeah, please check that out and consider also subscribing. Please, I love that a lot. And just like it. And also, don't just take my word for it. This isn't my only video. I've also made lots of them. Quite a lot. What am I missing out of plant? Now it's done. Okay, nothing. Okay, but anyways, yeah, like I said, I'm just trying to accomplish as much as I can, and this actually is a lot of money. So yeah, I might be here for a while. Make 40,000. 30. 60. Paid 62,000 with more. Come on. Yeah. This is gonna take a long time. I need a backhand. Phew, I need 10,000 more. Man, this isn't taking too long. Okay, we'll have 4 minutes left of the video, and I'll try and make the most out of it. Guys, we've got it. I'm gonna do it. Escalator, yes. That was quite a lot more income. Okay, I got a letter. More progress for the 2 out of 4. Several small businesses have shut down following the introduction of a many more creative use of kind of like 22. More could tell stories of different genres. Customers feel happy about the mall so far. One user stated the mall was great, and everyone was, yes, the mall is quite exclusive. You can pause the video and read this, but I don't like reading it. So yeah. I think this is going to be what I'm going to get to accomplish. I'm going to try my best to accomplish more though. But yeah, I'm not going to be able to get much more. 3 more minutes left. Finish the story. I have to. Takes up less space, takes up less money. Plus, look. 3. I've probably only gotten 2. This is very expensive for all of this. I'm not going to make it 15 minutes, so that's where I'm going to end it for today. Thank you for watching. And, like I said, link in the description to my friend Jack's channel and yeah, and to my Discord server and I will go to yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.